Antarctica. The name alone evokes images of icy wilderness, a land of extremes. Imagine a place where towering glaciers meet the Southern Ocean, where penguins waddle across ice floes and whales breach in icy waters. This is Antarctica, the planet's southernmost continent, and it's a destination unlike any other. Forget crowded beaches and bustling cities. Antarctica is a place of pristine beauty, a realm where nature reigns supreme. For the adventurous traveler, Antarctica offers a unique opportunity to witness the raw power and beauty of the natural world. Cruising is the best way to experience this frozen wonderland. Imagine yourself aboard a comfortable ship, gliding past towering icebergs, the sound of the wind and waves your constant companion. But an Antarctic cruise is more than just a sightseeing trip. It's a chance to connect with nature on a primal level, to feel the thrill of exploration and discovery. It's an opportunity to witness some of the planet's most incredible wildlife in their natural habitat. So, if you're looking for an adventure that will stay with you long after you return home, look no further than an Antarctic cruise. It's a journey to the end of the Earth, an experience that will leave you breathless. Deciding on your Antarctic adventure begins with choosing the right cruise route. Most expeditions depart from Ushuaia, Argentina, the southernmost city in the world. This vibrant port city serves as the gateway to the White Continent. From Ushuaia, several popular itineraries beckon. The classic Antarctic Peninsula route is ideal for first-time visitors. It offers a comprehensive taste of the region. This route typically includes the South Shetland Islands and the western side of the Antarctic Peninsula. For those seeking a deeper exploration, the Weddell Sea itinerary is a must. This route ventures into the ice-choked waters of the Weddell Sea, home to incredible wildlife and stunning ice formations. Keep an eye out for emperor penguins, Weddell seals, and the elusive leopard seal. Another option is the Falkland Islands and South Georgia itinerary. This route combines the rugged beauty of the Antarctic Peninsula with the wildlife-rich Falkland Islands and South Georgia. It's a birdwatcher's paradise, with vast colonies of albatrosses, penguins, and other seabirds. Itineraries vary in length, from shorter voyages of around 10 days to more extended expeditions lasting several weeks. Consider your time constraints and desired experiences when selecting your perfect route. Antarctica is a land of extremes, and the weather is no exception. The continent experiences two distinct seasons, summer and winter. Summer in Antarctica, from November to March, is the most popular time to visit. During these months, temperatures are relatively mild, ranging from -10 to 5 degrees Celsius. Winter, from April to October, in Antarctica is a different story. Temperatures plummet, and the continent is shrouded in darkness for several months. While winter expeditions are possible, they are only for the truly intrepid and come with additional challenges. The best time to visit Antarctica for wildlife viewing is during the summer months. This is when penguins are nesting, seals are pupping, and whales are feeding in the nutrient-rich waters. The sea ice also recedes during summer, making navigation easier for cruise ships. No matter when you choose to visit, be prepared for unpredictable weather. The Antarctic climate is notoriously fickle, and conditions can change rapidly. Pack for all types of weather, including sunshine, rain, snow, and wind. Antarctica is a wildlife enthusiast's dream. Penguins are the stars of the show, and you're likely to encounter several species, including gentoo, chinstrap, and Adelie penguins. Watch in awe as they waddle, swim, and care for their young. Seals are another common sight, basking on ice floes or swimming alongside your ship. Keep an eye out for crab-eater seals, leopard seals, and the massive elephant seals. Whales are frequent visitors to Antarctic waters, drawn by the abundance of krill. Antarctica is also home to a variety of seabirds, including albatrosses, petrels, and skuas. The sight of these birds soaring above the icy landscape is truly unforgettable. Beyond wildlife, Antarctica is a land of breathtaking glaciers, icebergs, and mountains. Imagine yourself cruising through a labyrinth of towering icebergs, each one a unique sculpture carved by wind and water. Witness the awe-inspiring sight of a glacier calving, a powerful reminder of nature's raw power. Section 5. Treading lightly. Safety and sustainability in Antarctica. Tourism in Antarctica is carefully managed to minimize its impact on this pristine environment. All cruise operators must adhere to strict guidelines set forth by the International Association of Antarctica Tour Operators, or IAATO. These guidelines cover everything from wildlife watching protocols to waste management. As a visitor to Antarctica, you play a crucial role in protecting this fragile ecosystem. Follow your guide's instructions at all times and be mindful of your surroundings. Keep a safe distance from wildlife and avoid disturbing their natural behavior. Pack out everything you pack in and dispose of all waste properly. Use reusable water bottles and avoid single-use plastics. By following these simple guidelines, you can help to ensure that Antarctica remains a pristine wilderness for generations to come. Section 6. A Journey of 1,000 Tales, Photography and Memories. Every moment in Antarctica is a photo opportunity. The constantly changing light and dramatic landscapes provide endless inspiration for photographers of all levels. Capture the playful antics of penguins, the serene beauty of icebergs, and the vastness of the Southern Ocean. Invest in a good camera and lenses to make the most of your trip. A wide-angle lens is essential for capturing the scale of a landscape, while a telephoto lens will bring distant wildlife into focus. Remember to pack extra batteries and memory cards, as cold temperatures can drain batteries quickly. Beyond photography, take the time to simply soak in the atmosphere. Listen to the sound of the wind whistling across the ice, breathe in the fresh air, and appreciate the silence of this remote wilderness. These are the memories that will stay with you long after you return home. Section 7. The Human Element Research Stations and History. Antarctica is not just a land of ice and wildlife. It's also home to a small but dedicated community of researchers from around the world. Several countries operate research stations in Antarctica, studying everything from climate change to marine biology. Some cruise itineraries include visits to research stations where you can learn about the important work being done in this remote region. You may even have the opportunity to meet some of the scientists and hear about their research firsthand. Antarctica also has a rich and fascinating history of exploration and discovery. Learn about the early explorers who risked their lives to chart this unknown land and hear tales of their daring adventures. Section 8. Essential Packing List. Gearing up for the Antarctic. Packing for an Antarctic cruise requires careful consideration. Layers are key to staying warm in the unpredictable weather. Start with thermal underwear, followed by fleece layers and a waterproof outer layer. Don't forget a warm hat, gloves, and a scarf to protect yourself from the cold and wind. Waterproof hiking boots are essential for shore excursions, and a pair of warm socks will keep your feet toasty. Sunglasses are crucial for protecting your eyes from the glare of the sun reflecting off the ice and snow. Pack sunscreen, lip balm, and a good moisturizer to protect your skin from the harsh conditions. Section 9. Conclusion. Your Antarctic legacy begins. An Antarctic cruise is more than just a holiday. It's a journey of discovery, a chance to witness the raw beauty of nature and connect with our planet on a deeper level. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you return home, shaping your perspective and inspiring you to protect this precious wilderness. As you sail away from the white continent, you'll leave with a newfound appreciation for the fragility of our planet. You'll also carry with you the memories of a lifetime. The sight of penguins marching across the ice, the sound of a glacier calving, the vastness of the Southern Ocean stretching out before you. An Antarctic cruise is a journey that will change you forever. It's a chance to create a legacy of adventure, conservation, and wonder. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Antarctic adventure today. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more related content.